Hi, is your MacBook taking too long to load? Is your MacBook too slow? If that is the case, it might be because there are so many apps that you have starting up once your MacBook starts up. In order to fix this and make your MacBook faster, I'm going to show you what you can do in less than 60 seconds. Let's do it. What you need to do is to click on the Apple or MacBook icon, go to System Settings. Now, under Login, Items and Extensions, yours might be something else, depends on the kind of MacBook that you have. You just click on it, it brings you to this screen. What you can do, under Open at Login, most probably you have so many applications listed here. These applications start running as soon as you log into your MacBook, so it slows your MacBook down. What you can do if you've got any applications listed under these items is to highlight that item and click on the minus icon here. Once you get them removed, you close this and you restart your MacBook. Once you do this, it's going to improve your MacBook to run faster. So once you remove them, reboot your MacBook and it's going to start running faster than it did. I hope this has been helpful. Can I ask you to subscribe to my channel, to comment, and to like? Thank you.